Today we're off to Wood Farm Holiday Park in Charmouth, West Dorset. So see from here, EHU, grey water waste, and there's a tap there as well for your drinking water. Walking down to the cafe and swimming pool area. The cafe is off to the right there, as is the swimming pool, just a little bit further on. The swimming pool, as far as I know, is you have to pre-book to get a slot, which I think is pretty much the norm these days, so nothing unusual there. The cafe, certainly on the days we were there, on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday, it opens at 9 AM, closes at 2, reopens at 5 and closes at 9. The defibrillator there, which I think is always a good thing. So at the cafe area there's an outdoor seating area. Have a quick look inside. They do coffees there and a whole range of hot foods. Most of the sort of quick food, fast food type foods. Then they have a seating area here in the event the weather gets bad. And here you can see some of the layout here, and some of the things they sell. So there's a wide range of beers and wines, and as I said, a lot of fast foods, breakfast wraps, hot snacks, cold snacks, cakes and pastries. And obviously somewhere you can sit inside if it gets really cold. The bifold doors are quite nice in bringing the outdoor in, and that's pretty much it really. We probably wouldn't use this site, not so much because of the facility, but being this hilly just makes it less pleasant. There's a laundrette just over there on the far side. It has 2 dryers and 2 washing machines. It's £4.50 for a washing machine, £2.50 for a 60-minute dry. Now the only problem is, it doesn't take cash. You either have to get a laundry card from reception and put some money on it, or you can do it online, but it's a bit of a faff around. But anyhow, it did the job. The actual machines themselves were good and cleaned it very well. Right, that's all I'm going to show you here. During the introduction video when we drive in, you pretty much get to see what the layout of the site is, and that's probably about as much as we can do, I think. I don't intend to walk around all these hills. There are several amenity blocks. Most of them here have a separate sort of unit where the toilet and shower is combined. Unfortunately, the floor, which tends to be wet because the shower's there, I found treacherously slippery. So there is a warning there. But there, I just couldn't physically walk on this floor. So, not many points for me on that floor. On the side, we have a chemical waste disposal room. There's our washing room. And more of these little cubicles here. wastewater here and drinking water there. Up at reception, they've got a reasonably good shop, all the usual bits and pieces. They have an ice cream fridge, which is quite nice, as it was a nice hot day when we were there. They have a display rack with lots of leaflets for local attractions and things. They have some postcards. Importantly, they have a drinks fridge, which is quite nice. They have a number of toys and bits and pieces for kids. They've got a nice selection of wines there. All the usual household bits and pieces you might need: washing up liquid, salt, sugar, all that sort of stuff. They also have a couple of frozen food fridges, and the reception and the staff there were really, really nice. It was just before Jubilee Day, hence all the holding up the flags and the bits and pieces. So we hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, maybe you could click the like button. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them below.